Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creek Fishing. Here, One Fish Wonder here. I'm here at the creek. Last time we fished was that way, so today I'm gonna fish this way to see if I catch anything. I'm searching for the 4-pounder in this creek, so stay tuned.
Oh, fish on, baby. Fish on. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Fish on. Got one so far. Man, he hid under that thing. I was trying to catch another one, but this one was hiding under it. Cast with a jig. Wow, man. Good fish. Huh? This is about a pound. I know. Actually, this is about 1.5 at least. Let me see. Check it out. Yep, pound and a half. Pound and a half fish. Let's release it. There you go. Man. This other fish too. All right, guys. I was way over there. I'm gonna move here. Actually, I had to repark my car, so I'm gonna walk back over there to that bridge. Then I'll walk toward this way. 1, 2, 3. Got on. Fish on, baby. Oh man, finally got one. Jesus Christ. Finally got a fish, man, after, oh, that's one over there too. I see the one. All right, this one about a pound. All right, buddy. Got fish. Fish on, baby. Yes, yes. Finally got a fish. There you go. That one. Come on, don't go under there. Oh. Well, finally got one. Got a fish here. Freaking dinks. It's not that, it's a baby. Well, anyway, let's go. It's a baby fish. I have fish. Oh, got on, fish on, baby. Oh my God. Man, he swallowed this thing. I don't know he got it or not. Yeah, he swallowed very good. Man. I think I got the fish on. I think I got him. I think I got it. Freaking got a dinks up. I lost a big one, but I got a freaking dinks. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, shoot. Got a baby. There you go. Oh, there's one. There's one. Got one. Got one. That fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Got a fish though, man, that was fast. And he took my Senko. Fish. What really stink. Hey guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I have a lot in mind. They're gonna be for you guys to enjoy and entertain. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.